Merong kasabihan na all men are equal, but not all men are the same. Tama rin naman, pantay-pantay tayong lahat sa mata ng batas at ng Diyos, pero hindi naman tayo magkakapareho dahil merong babae at lalaki. But the equality is the same for both women and men. So doon sa isang kaso na sinulat ni Justice Marvic Leonen, ang Philippine Airlines versus Flight Attendants and Stewards Association of the Philippines, sinabi ng ating Korte Suprema na unconstitutional ang compulsory retirement age doon sa collective bargaining agreement na ang age ng women ay mas maaga kesa ang retirement age ng men. So dito nagkaroon ng CBA ang empleyado at employer. At doon sa CBA sinabi na ang flight attendants na babae ay dapat mag-retire at 55 years old. Habang ang flight attendants or steward na lalaki ay makakapag-retire pag sila ay 60 years old. So there is a difference of at least 5 years. No? At ito ay kunestyon ng ating mga kababaihan at sabi nila discriminatory against women yan. And this is contrary to laws, international convention, and public policy. At sinabi nila kasi ng PAL, pag 55 na ang babae, they do not have the necessary strength to open the emergency doors, the agility to attend to passengers, or cramped working conditions, and the stamina. So mahina na daw ang mabababae at the age of 55, lalo na sa mga mahabang flight schedule. Hindi tulad ng mga lalaki. Sabi ng ating korte, yung right ng mga kababaihan ay equality treatment under the Constitution, Labor Code, Magna Carta of Women, and the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination against Women. Sabi ng Supreme Court, discriminatory nga yung pagpataw ng age requirement kasi yung mga babae na magre-retire at the age of 55 are not young enough to seek for a new job but not old enough to be considered retired. Diba? Hindi ka na makakatrabaho kasi hindi ka na bata, pero ikaw naman ay masyadong bata para mag-retire. So in this case, nireiterate ulit ng ating korte na lahat tayo ay dapat pantay-pantay regardless of sex.